Hi, this is Cherie with Rehashfiber. Today, I'm going to teach you in knitting how to make one to the right and make one to the left. All right, in knitting, you may come across the instructions M1R. That means make one to the right. You're increasing by making a stitch and it's angled to the right. So far, I've done the stockinette stitch and I am making my increase at the center of this demo. So I'm going to work all the way up to where I put the marker. Now, to make one right, I'm going to pick up the stitch from the back to the front using the left needle. I go in between them, pick it up. Now it is on the left needle. I'm going to knit into the front of the stitch on the left needle. Bring it through. I have now made one to the right. Here we go with another make one to the right. I'm going to pick up from the back to the front and knit in to the front of the stitch. Now when you see M1L, that is make one to the left. So on the other side of my center here, we're going to make one to the left. We're going to pick up the stitch with this left needle from the front to the back this time. And then we're going to knit into the back of the stitch. And that is how we've made one to the left. Make one to the left. We're going between the stitches to the yarn. We're going to pick up from the front to the back. With the right needle, you're going to knit into the back of the stitch. And this is what it looks like after you've made M1Rs and M1Ls. Make one to the right, make one to the left. Doing it in the center, it has increased your stitches and created this effect. Thanks for watching and happy knitting!